Managing personal finances effectively often hinges on timing, particularly when it comes to accessing earned income as quickly as possible without running into traditional banking hurdles or unexpected fees. For members of the military community and veterans utilizing modern financial platforms tailored to their specific lifestyle, optimizing cash flow is a vital component of overall financial readiness. Traditional banking institutions frequently hold electronic transfers for several days while funds process through the clearinghouse, leaving account holders waiting unnecessarily for money they have already earned. Shifting away from this antiquated model requires understanding how specialized digital banking services streamline the deposit cycle to put capital directly into the hands of the account holder much faster. The mechanism behind accessing funds ahead of the standard schedule relies primarily on electronic direct deposit processed via the automated clearinghouse network. When an employer, payroll provider, or defense finance accounting service initiates a payment file, traditional banks typically wait until the official settlement date to release the balance. Platforms designed with efficiency in mind bypass this waiting period by crediting the user account the moment payment instructions and preliminary transaction files are received from the payer. This means that instead of waiting until a rigid, designated Friday payday, funds can become accessible significantly earlier, in many cases up to 4 days ahead of the scheduled payment date. Initiating this process requires setting up direct deposit correctly within the digital platform, a task that has historically been plagued by paperwork errors, missing routing numbers, or incorrect account specifications. Modern applications built for service members solve this friction point by utilizing auto-populated and auto-signed direct deposit paperwork accessible directly through the mobile interface. By leveraging these smart forms, users can seamlessly route their military basic pay or external income stream straight to their checking account without manual data entry mistakes that frequently cause processing delays or rejected transactions. Once the direct deposit form is submitted to the relevant payroll office or personnel clerk and the first electronic transfer successfully hits the account, the early payday feature activates automatically for subsequent cycles. There are no complex tiers to unlock, paid subscription tiers to maintain, or hidden activation hoops to jump through just to access earned wages ahead of schedule. The system continuously monitors incoming ACH transfer files and immediately provisions the capital for everyday spending, bill management, or transfers into high-yield savings goals as soon as data verification and standard fraud prevention screens clear. Beyond simply accelerating cash availability, combining early direct deposit with a fee-free banking infrastructure amplifies the overall utility of the account. Traditional banks often chip away at early access gains by levying monthly maintenance charges, overdraft penalties, or minimum balance fees. Operating without these penalties ensures that every dollar of early pay remains fully intact for the user. Furthermore, integrating automated savings features, such as rounding up debit card transactions and matching those savings for initial periods, allows account holders to simultaneously accelerate their financial security while enjoying rapid access to their primary income. Ultimately, streamlining income accessibility transforms how individuals budget, pay down debt, and handle unexpected expenses between pay periods. By removing traditional clearing delays and simplifying administrative paperwork through automated digital tools, account holders eliminate the stress of waiting on payday. Setting up the configuration correctly from the start ensures a seamless, recurring experience where basic pay and other eligible electronic funds arrive up to 4 days early, putting complete control of personal finances back where it belongs.